Factory of 438. So 438, it can be written as 2 times 219. 2 times 219 mean 438. 219, it can be written as 3 times 73. 3 times 73 mean 219. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 3 and 73. So we can write 438 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times 3 times this 73. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.